Hi, Andrew Hession with SONCO. I'd like to highlight the differences between our temporary fence panels that we do stock. On the right here is our Versa chain link temporary fence panel, and it's being compared to our Inline chain link fence panel. I'd like to introduce our Inline temporary fence panel. What we have here is 6 foot height, 10 foot in length. We also do stock a 6 foot high and 12 foot in length. What you see here is a main frame that's 1 3/8 inch outside diameter, 16 gauge tube, considered heavy duty. It's going to hold up, extremely durable. The chain link fabric here, as you can see, it's laced. It features a single vertical brace for support. It's also pre-galv with an enhanced zinc coating. This is going to prevent rust, it's going to prevent corrosion, your panel is going to last longer. You're looking at about a 3 to 5 year lifespan with the Inline panel. Introducing here our Versa chain link temporary fence panel. What you see here is a 6x10 Versa panel, 6 foot high, 10 foot in length. We also do stock a 6 foot high by 12 foot length panel. And then for cases where an additional height is needed, we stock an 8 foot high by 10 foot length panel. Ideal for long use. If you're going to buy it once and you want to reuse it as many times as once. You're going to see the cross brace here for increased durability. We call this the Versa panel because what you're going to notice here, the other feature on each corner here, you've got 6 inches of an extended leg, we call it. What that allows you to do is you can actually flip this panel over and drop the legs into a weighted anchor block so that it's more wind resistance and your fence line's sturdy and won't fall over.